Savea maru sa fui manguia lo fionga savea sa tai lava lava noa nei afiafi malo
Fa mo sa mruia le sa pati ma le fai unga le vai aso le aso nafi. Ia, sa i fo i hei te mi sa fa le tonu le talo le tau. Ia e sa hanga le lei lava le tua. Ia, ua matana tau maruru te isi le mea le nae te alalai.
sa matal maruru mai le kau mai sia ngai kau maruru fut kau ai manguil weekend manguil lava le aso ngafi le sapati
Malo.
le loku le ko ngai o lo asio ma ku ele fare le rest home e for das fa ngau lo a finge my youngest daughter so busy for the weekend in the for love o le shopping mall for some crazy person of a fanga so leo so there was a lot of police activity in the mall yeah, looking for a gunman. I think he was annoying something from the one of the fellow laws in the shopping mall, jewelry shop, I think.
That's dangerous.
It was quite a busy night on Le Ascongai.
Talo fai. Ia malor me silio nai saunga le mu.
Tau, ele tu.
Tatu tele no lava fa lava lave tupu fa penei. I meo no fanga tum wai tangata. Ia malo fa tai mole. Mole tai mi fa avanoa mai. Ai, sa iai tangata e to lua sa walau mai. O se tina e whaisi matua, mase tama. Sa mana o mai lau numera, e sa o tui nā tufo. Iai ia le numera i las to nai. Ioi.
Ia, oi, peo mga vili mai. Ia, ngā makala ngoa maleo ngāri, ngā paftai lava sa vea.
Ia, tā ua tele le nā. Ia, tā se e mai le, i le tā ua le lava i aso sa tā tala noa ai fo i le meo le tā ua tele o le whaau wau. I want to cancel ina lau policy. I want to take me lava cancel ai le vili atu ia te oe toe review le pe downsize. Ai ia pe le cover mo oe. Wai te le lo lava se me tupu mai ia te oe. Ia, a whaila le ua whaila policy.
Ia.
Ua whaila life insurance. Po whea lava lai te malanga iai, e ma whai ona cover oe lau policy na worldwide.
Yeah. Malo, disclaimer more leo le information only, generic information, le se advice, mga mia se advice, ya vili mai, ka kufelo ai book se appointment, ka kufelo ai I can take you through my advice, but tonight, information only. So mga facili savea, does this life insurance policy cover worldwide, so say kungua laulangi. Or the answer, yes, it does. The short answer, it covers. So me ka ua le life insurance le fa penga e cover le kungungai. So alu e ka whao holiday Amerika, se mea laulangi Samoa, Australia, ngilangi ai kupulo se fa lave o then ka lo fai o ki fa fosei then e cover oi o foi because e kele ka ko ele sili fil mele a maliu se si overseas e lua se fulu afe ka la e ko kongi o e ko return mediking o I kangaka. So if you want to send back your loved one because let me liu o overseas e lua se fulu afe. That's how much it costs to bring a body back to New Zealand. Kaun ka ia. It's very important to see if you can't go to Melia because ale aise life insurance, pele aise travel insurance. Ai maliu se silo ainga I se sekungu overseas. Ya, le los fulu afe kala. Otherwise, ale mafainga ko kongi le los fulu afe. Ele ko fo I mediking o kangaka I ngusila e kangu o e kunga. And that's why it's very taua. For the life insurance, it pays. E ko kongi le los fulu afe ko fo I mediking o bring the body back to New Zealand, whai lore funeral I New Zealand. So very taua, it covers everywhere laulangi. Just life insurance. Makaule for life insurance, it longa maliu kangaka, then the money is paid out to ainga. It's very important cover. So se maia, so se yoki mai or the accident. So it maanga very taua is a worldwide cover. $20,000 le cost a return mediking or back to your country. So it's very taua because otherwise kongka kele. It's very kongka.
Taua tele lai whanongo mai o tātou ainga mo tātou tangata lo mafau iai ina ia whatino le life insurance. O le se senga o le life insurance ma se maliu e tu lai mai ono o se whalave lave whafosei accidental death. What's the
Accidents. Yeah.
difference between those
Well, the
two?
difference. Very similar, but they say singa, facing say singa. So life insurance, both of them, it cover for maliu.
Yeah.
Life insurance, so se maliu. Like I said, maliu mai cancer, mai faku, stroke, so se mai maliu kangaka mai nga. Then the money, the kupe is paid out to the ainga. The ainga that's left behind to kokongi things like funeral, ai kalafu, smokesi, loans, and then the rest of the money to fish swangi, mawase lengi for swangi le ainga to survive for the next, 1 year or something. So it's very tawa the life insurance. And like I said, it cover worldwide, kafao, overseas. But accidental death cover is only limited in ngaka le vea se longa me liuka ngaka le vea. Accident. Falave lave pe la vea ka vale, me liu la vea ka vale, o la vea i ngaluenga. Or ke o se e la lo skepu pa le ulu la vea ka le ulu and in me liu like that. So se accident e cover ele ko inga life insurance lea. But wan mea ele cover mai. So a maliu se si ngase le mai ele cover under accidental death cover ngale la vea e cover and fala. So the reason why most of my clients I always do life insurance. But easy gave me a family insurance company. Yeah. Sorry, Matt, we'll let go low client in the life insurance because we're too high risk low client. We're mafa kele, makua kele ngasi. Ele mafainga kau the life insurance. Pa wale mea e mafainga available ai. Or accidental death cover. And so that's the only time I offer mele clients because they not accepted for the other one. So they have no choice. They only have one cover to apply for because it's too risky for the insurance company. So therefore, they only give accidental death cover.
Oh,
So
right.
yeah, so that's the essay of life insurance and accidental death cover.
Ta ua tele le whaalongolongo mai, SL life insurance, SL accidental death, olo no wingala.
Yeah.
Olo no winga le asisi e mo ia tupu se whaalawe lawe iana ia e hoti whafua se i e whapena. Ai le o le a le tā ua tele o le whaawau pea ona tongi lau premiums tausanga uma. Ai ni iei fo inisi whaalawe lawe tula i mai e tauna wala watu oe a o le tā ua whaawau pea.
Yeah. Kausanga uma e whailo review pea o le sulu masinga. And most of policies e alulunga kaula kiki. Isi policies e level e le alulunga. Ai tā ua e kokongi pea le insurance premiums a whaisinga whainka pea o le whalawelawe e whaisinga whainka e kokongi. Then really mai a will look at reducing cover after 12 months or 2 years. But very tā ua e awole misi pay mengis because misi pay mengi kasi. Then mawalole email pole text lo kelfongi for my misi pay mengi kasi. And so you have to then pay double the next week or you can pay it off. But otherwise, ako misi le si pay mengi, the second one, then ko mawalole si lera the insurance company lafu ako le si lera oe. And then one more left, misi lole kolu pay mengi lapse lolo policy. And then when it lapses, wale mawhainga ko reinstate the policy, you have to start all over again. And so some Samoan customers nga vili mai au lesi aso fa mai o cancel la ko policy le insurance company because for misi kolu pay mengi. And so then they want me lako fale to sort out another insurance, but ko amaka from the beginning. We go through the medical questions and everything again, and then that's why it's very important to make sure what you're paying in mawhainga e fōringa le kaule insurance. Otherwise, look at reducing the cover down so you can afford it. So ele misi o pay mengi, so you can keep paying the insurance payment. Otherwise, cancel policy. I get oelo cancel policy. Some people they find out say long le singa then they find out or cancel policy because we were busy langa they didn't check their bank account. They didn't check their California when the insurance company tried to really them. And then the only problem is kupulo se falawelawe to the insured person maliuloa. Then really make aka ya mako hey my ainga passed away in Maliu. Can we get the pay mengi for the life insurance? But the sad thing is, ele kukongi se mea, because you missed your
Your
premiums and the
premiums.
policy lapsed.
E.
So just be careful when you miss one, lua, kolu, misi fa kolu lo paimengi. Yeah, cancel fa fo se ilo le policy, and then that's what you want to try and avoid is miss free payments so it cancels. Yeah. So that's very tawa sabia.
Ma
Hey
lo
love.
whaafitai tā ua tele, a ole nisia lau peimeni e tau na wala au ia mat. E
Yeah.
so ani atu ia oe po lale si tonu e tau na whai. Now,
Ciao.
if we have a mortgage loan, ai te ua tupus whaare lave ia te oe, e maliu whaafo se iai, o lea la ai lei fo ima so life insurance, o lale mea tū lai mai. What's going to
Yeah.
happen? Is your mortgage
Ele
covered?
whare kongua the situation, because ele mo kesi loan. I get ya wo cancel life insurance. Ale kung yalo mo kesi loan awo ngalo ya oe wo levanga cancel life insurance, and so you forgot. Ale kung yalo mo kesi kung yalo mo kesi. O lo decía so ya you fa for say something happened fa for say maliu, and then your mortgage is still there. Vili mai o ya or that your wife passed away or your husband passed away. But because wo levanga cancel the life insurance, you still have to kukongi that mokesi. Because there's no life insurance to pay that mokesi. Man go for the life insurance, if you keep it, it pays the mokesi pe akupus falave.
Right.
But if you have no life insurance, ale kung yalo mokesi, kupulo se fale kongu se falave, ya kalofai, you still have to pay that mortgage because there's no life insurance to pay. So that's why it's very ta'ua when you have a mortgage loan, make sure you have the life insurance still paying the premium to cover that mortgage loan. This is very important. You still have to pay that mortgage. Ele bank. Ole bank ele kea pea fa mai oi, oh sorry, I have no life insurance. Aloma liula wa inga ele mafenga fori nga ule pay mengi mortgage. The bank will say, sorry mate, you still have to pay the mortgage, otherwise we're going to come and file the fale. So that's why it's very ta'ua to have a life insurance, because it will pay the mortgage pe a kupus fale.
Malo, whaafitai mo le whaamamla mai do le vaenga lea. Ei terminologies ia e lua. Why is loading and exclusions better than deferral? Lona winga, nai lo le tu atu I tua le o pa o tuai fo ia le fo I le paymeni o se insurance policy.
E kele o clients le loadings and exclusions savia. Because most of us pacifica, because of our build, we're very mamafa heavy build, and we have some ngasingases like diabetes and suka maulunga and koko maulunga and mamafa and mefapenga. So the insurance company, they put the loading or the wing or the loading is if the price is $50 a week, so the insurance company will put like a 50% loading on there. So then the price goes up from to Valu. And the reason why it go up, because they put the loading, because of our mamafa, ula, sukeleki, or mangasingase. And then the other one is they might do exclusion. Well, the wingo exclusion, if you have a asuka and you're taking fula'au for diabetes type 2, then they might say, yeah, it cover oe for the trauma policy for, cancers and strokes, but they might say, but you're not covered for heart attack because of your diabetes. You have diabetes, so we are excluding the heart attack linked to the diabetes. So they often put exclusion on policies. Or if you really had a broken back or a broken leg, yeah, that's not covered. So if you claim on it in the future, claim on that injury because you already had it before. It's a pre-existing condition. And so looking at exclusions. But even though it's better to have no loading and no exclusion, but the main thing is it's better than nothing. And so if you have a Golia approval with exclusion and loadings, at least you're still covered and you can be covered and start paying your insurance. But if the insurance company says cover oil because it's too high risk, we're going to put a deferral. O le wingo le deferral, ele mawhainga cover oi, say longa umale period of 1 year or 2 years, then they have a look and review. But ele mauking year that you're going to get it. There's no guarantee. And so a deferral is not a good thing.
Yeah.
And so it's better to have a loading and exclusion than have a deferral. And that means ele mawhainga whaise cover mo oe because te kulafongo is too strict to cover you. Yeah, those are the essentials of those things, Savia.
No, winga e vava ai fo ia o le fia pui o le insurance policy. A tilo fo ia le company la to ia, it's high risk, tele tupe la to ia luai pe a fai. O le matua tele o mai manga se ngase leo lo fea ngai ma oe.
That's it. That's it.
Ona fa pena la ia leo na fa finga ta ona fa ia la wanga. I pita yane wale te fai mai. You work with the main, insurance companies, so in Faiva alu su e po le ale le company ma se policy e tala fea ngai mo client le sauna.
Le silo client le sa vea. O go lia le fifinge I would defer le kamaloa. So the wife was accepted, but the husband was deferred because of ngase. So I said to the insurance company, it was Chubb. I said, off of Tailava. But we're just going to hold it for now. So then I'm going to another insurance company to try. Another insurance company. Galo sia, I can find a company that's going to cover the husband and the wife together before I make a decision to go back to the Ngali and tell them the kongu. So yeah, I can use up to 5 main insurance providers.
Right.
So that's the good thing. Yeah, malo, very
true. Malo fa te tele lava fa fonga fo le malo tatu tunu o ma fa so mala u pa anga fo i tino le sunga a mat luatua e vatu fo le financial advisor le ngatel insurance ia fa pena fo le puinga lava oe life health and disability a telefoni le sunga a mat all fitu valu toluiva tasi fitu tasi fa all fitu valu toluiva tas fit tas fasi sila I foi lunga lau screen I la loi vo le ata au le leo le sunga a mata na ilo na swafa ia malau telefoni mwhai ona e whaaf so tai mai ai. Matt, thank you so much my brother. Upu muli mai ate oe tātau mawai
Whaftai lava muli atu whaftai ma whaamalo I lo tō pa ia ma malu Samoa I lo tō whaafonga I lo pokalame le ne aso. Ma alor whaftai, ma alor on sai. Ma alor tapuai, whamanuele atua ti ultima Faiva I le ne aso.
Tele lava fa soifuia. Looking forward to catching up with you once again, same time, same place next week. But we are here. Gagaifo o Faiva le dei aso ia mese ngā luenga fo I o le leiva I aso atoa ia fa soifuia.